Alright, y'all, what's going on? It's your boy LS Out254 and tune in for another one. In today's video, I'm gonna show you what we're getting into. Oh, yeah, the tarp. The new tarp. Tarp 2.0. Tarpius Prime. Tyrannosaurus tarp. I don't know. Anyway, you see the tarp, 10,000 subscribers, we taking it off. And yeah, rolled out some new little features. If you want like the first sneak peek to know what's up under the tarp, then guess what? Subscribe, join the thing. If not, wait till we hit 10,000. All my Blues Clues content will be released on there from now on. And no more secrets if you're in the VIP memberships or whatever, everything like that. So no further ado, That's what we're finna get into. So as you can see out here, the front of the Cutlass. I was trying to see how. So basically, as you can see, I think one of our, one of them, there we go. So basically, this here is our license plate holder. You know, it's on there, but there's some cracking there and some cracking there. And you know, a lot of times, you know, these old school, it's about some new shit, right? Repops, whatever. Well, for this little beauty, repop is like $150. So you know what Cheapo gonna do? We're gonna try to restore this back to its natural strength, something. Of course, there will be some parts that we probably can't really feel back in or whatever. But for these parts right here where it's split, maybe do some fiberglass. Well, no, fiberglass is messy as shit, bro. I'm probably just trying to Gorilla Glue it back together, and then we'll boom secure the screws back in there. That'll hold that there, and then our two screws right there will hold our license plate right there. So looks like we got two 10 millimeter bolts. Excuse my fingers. Two 10 millimeter bolts to hold this onto the bottom. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and pull this off and then evaluate and see what we got. All right, so as we take this down, you can see it's pretty beat up. Not terrible, definitely seen worse. These seem to be intact. I mean, honestly, you could just hold it with the two bottom ones and then just go with the two top ones. We definitely want to try to go back with this one because, as you can see, it kind of looks like it may be multi-functional, maybe. So not only does it do that, it holds that down. So these holes that hold it to the car are like actually intact as well. It's just these here that we're a little bit worried about. So I'm hoping that some Gorilla Glue or something can just, you know, quick fix it. Not trying to make a masterpiece out of it or anything like that. So first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and clean it. By judging and looking at the, I guess, scratches, scars, it being on that front end of the car, because then it hit some driveways, etc., and that may be why it's missing, whatever. I don't really see anything too extreme. However, I know I do want to try to strengthen it. Like I said, even though it's not necessarily that bad, just maybe put some put some glue over the crevices so it's not as prone to stick or move or separate or anything like that. So see on the back side some little spots where we could adhere some glue as well around those cracks and everything. So the glue that I've chosen to use, if you know, the original Gorilla Glue is kind of messy. So what we chose, this is like more videos and stuff to come, but they do sell a clear Gorilla Glue where it bonds virtually everything: wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more. And if you look here on the back, wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass. Will it not work on this plastic? Interesting. Not recommended on polyethylene or polypropylene plastics. Okay, well, that may have just shot us down. Well, let me see. All right, so after further review, this Gorilla Glue ain't gonna work. So I think we're gonna send it. We're just gonna send it how it is. I also purchased some of this stuff is future videos or whatever. Don't worry about that. Blues Clues. Blues Clues. Alright, so we do got these screws. 2 should go back there to hold those in. Those are just Phillips. So let me put it back on and let's see what happens. Alright, so I mean, as you can see, it's on there. Pretty cool G-body. $91.99. It is on there. We got it secured all the way up there. So I mean, the plate itself is not gonna move. Them 2 screws that's holding it in there is probably not gonna move. Looks like we can probably put 1 more screw in there. I mean, for safekeeping, but I think that's gonna hold it down. POP, hold it down. POP, hold it down. So yeah, it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Ain't nobody gonna see all that. Cause I would've, you know, if I do all of that, then it'll damn near be for nothing. Oh, look at that little curbage. Looks like there's a little curbage that went on there. I don't know when, cause I ain't went nowhere. Let me find out the wifey and the cut out. But yeah, it's good. It's on there. Shit, we rocking. Legal than a motherfucker. You dig? You see it. You see it. 322. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, cause we in this bitch. When the first car show? When is the first fucking car show meetup? All that shit. All that shit. Oh, I just noticed how that kind of rusted. I need something that's like golden colored. Not golden color, but see, that one's black, but it ain't. It didn't rust like the other one. Not exactly sure what happened there. Might have to get a new hex bit. See the one on there, that's like a black chrome. So if I got some more, I'll go ahead and put them on. If not, I'll have to go grab some. So, yeah.